The good news about Jesus has come to Mark chapter 13 from verse 1 to verse 31. Jesus said God house are going to mash down. Jesus did a left the yard where God house there when one of him follower them said to him, say, "Teacher, look, you see how them building are big and pretty? And look how them stone here where them take build them big." Jesus answered him, say, "You see them big pretty building here? Every one of them are going to get tear down. Not even one of them stone here are going to left on top of them one another. The whole of them are going to lick down." So when Jesus did a sit down on Mount Olive, cross from God's house, Peter, James, John and Andrew come to him one away and ask him, say, "Tell we, and when all them sitting here go happen? And what sign we can look for if you know say them a go happen?" Jesus said to them, say, "Watch out. Don't make nobody fool you now. Because a whole heap of people are going to come use up my name. And I say, me a Christ. And me God sent to save people. And them are going to fool up enough people. When you hear about war, near and far, nobody make them sit there frightened, no. Then sit there bound for happen. But that no means that done, the world are done. Because one set of people are going to war against one next set of people. And one kingdom are going to fight against one another kingdom. Earthquake are going to mean enough place. Food are going to short. And enough people are going to starve. And the way people are going to suffer, it will come in like the first pain when lick one woman when she take in for a baby. Watch out. Trouble are going to reach you now. Them are going to take you and turn you over to the leader them for the Jew them church. And them will beat you in them church. And cause you follow me, you will get fit turn up in front of ruler and king and tell them about me. But the good news I have to preach to the whole world first before them sit there. When them arrest you and turn you over to the judge, nobody fret about what I'm going to say or how I'm going to say it. Just say what God tell you if you say that time there. Because I don't uno attack, and the Holy Spirit attack through you. Brother and sister go inform upon their own brother and sister them and make the people them where rule kill them. As same so, one father go hand over him own a picnic. Picnic go turn against them father and mother and make the ruler them kill them. And everybody go eat to know cause you no follow me. But anybody will hold on tight and turn up strong till the sufferation done, God are going to save them people there. But when you don't see the wicked sitting where go against God, turn up in a God house, make sure say everybody will read this here understand what it mean. Then them will live in a Judea, if you run where go in at the mountain them. Who they on rooftop, no fi come down or go back in a house for nothing. Nobody will there in bush, no fi go back for getting jacket. What a sitting in a den time there for woman will have baby in a belly and for mother will have young baby. Pray say then something there not happen when storm a come or when a rainy time. Cause the way people going suffer in a den time there, nobody never suffer from the time God make the world. And nobody now go ever suffer so again. And nobody would have never get saved if the Lord never shorten them day. But see kind special people them when pick him shorten the day them. So if somebody say to you, "Look, see Christ there," or "Look, see him there," no believe him. Cause people are gonna come say them are the one where God sent to save people when no go so. And some false prophets are going to show up too. Them people there are going to work all kind of miracle and show all kind of sign for trick up people. Don't to all the people them where God pick them will trick up if they get the chance. But watch yourself. Me I tell you all them sitting here before them happen. But in a them day, right after the terrible sufferation, the sun a go dark up and the moon a go top shine. The star them a go drop out of the sky and everything in the sky go get shake out of them place. Then everybody will see the man where God pick a come in at the cloud them and him a go have power and one bright light a shine around him. Then him will send me angel them to gather up the people when pick from north, south, east and west, from every crevice and corner of the earth. Now learn something from the fig tree. When time uno see them branch get well soft and green and they start send out new leaf, uno know say summer soon come. As same so, when uno see all them sitting here happen, uno will know say the man where God send for save people soon come. I like say in the right outside of uno door, me a tell uno this and a true me a talk. The people we are living at them time here, now go dead till all of them sitting here happen. Heaven and earth now go dead about forever, but for me word I go last forever. And God word this, thank God.